What's your name? Do you know truthfully what your name is? There's your name that everyone calls you, and then there's your calling. What is your calling? Well, Yaakov Avinu, Yaakov our forefather, when he was traveling with his family and needed to go back to get a little jar he forgot on the other side of the passage of Yabok, he was faced with an angel. The angel started fighting with him. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you where it hurts, where you're the weakest. Yaakov doesn't give up. He puts on a fight with all his power, with all his might, till the early morning. At that moment, he asks the angel, who are you? What's your name? The angel says, I don't have a name. According to my mission, that's my name. But your name till now was Yaakov. It will be no longer Yaakov. It's going to be Israel. What is the difference between Yaakov and Israel? Yaakov is Yud, which is the first letter of God's name, and the word Ekev, which is the heel, the most insensitive part of the body, the one which represents action, going forward. You, Yaakov, were ready to be a servant of God, go forward without thinking. Now your name will no longer be Yaakov. I'm going to reveal to you your true name, Israel. Israel is the same letters as the word Lirosh. You will now become a head, the head of a nation, the head that is connected to God. You will be able to feel what it means to be connected to the head of your soul. Every single one of us has two levels. We have the way we are a simple servant, but a faithful one that does what he needs to do on a daily basis. If we're ready to put up a fight and every day overcome the struggles, then eventually we can earn our true name. Isn't it time for you to earn your true name as well?